Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DataRobot for automated machine learning, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type the DataRobot URL into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the DataRobot homepage to load. Look for the login button, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the first field. Make sure the email address is associated with your DataRobot account. Next, enter your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click it. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your email and password, double-check for any typing errors. Click the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the DataRobot dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. You are now ready to explore automated machine learning features. If you encounter any errors while logging in, check your credentials or contact support for assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into DataRobot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.